Hey Aries, hi, welcome to your zodiac reading. So, this is going to be for August 15th to the 31st for all of you. Um, so, how I do this is if you've been following my channel, you would know I'd be looking at the current energies, and basis that I'll be looking at the outcome of this situation overall. And this is a general reading, it may or may not resonate with you. So please take what resonates and leave what does not. Also, guys, how would you know this is resonating? If the current situation resonates with you, then pretty much the outcome will also resonate with you. All right. So let's check this out. Let's see what's going on with you, Aries. What's currently going on with Aries? What's currently going on with Aries? Queen of Wands, Eight of Wands, and Two of Swords. Okay. Something that you want to say, you feel very passionate about that thing, but you are confused as to how to put this across. Or maybe you're trying to hide your feelings, you're trying to hide your emotions, what you feel very strongly for. Okay. Seeing some sort of a, what should I say, hesitance of whether I can do this or not, something like that. You're hesitating, you're hesitant about doing something, you're hesitant about proceeding in a particular direction. However, you're feeling the push from inside. Okay, you could be feeling it very strongly, but it's it's kind of a little something. I see some sort of a hesitance about something, definitely a sort of a hesitance, a feeling of not being able to trust the call or something like that. That's what I'm picking up. Let me see what is this Two of Swords about. Yeah, it's some kind of a decision that you're not very sure about. It's it's fear. It's fear of whether this thing will work out or not. That's where you're coming from, is what I'm picking up, Aries. Okay. Now, if this resonated, let's see what you can expect in the next 15 days. What can you expect in the next 15 days? Six of Cups, Nine of Wands. So you'll be running away from the call. That's what I'm seeing. You will feel the need to do this, but somehow you will not, is what I'm seeing. Okay. I feel that the push is going to become even more bigger. Look at this, Knight of Wands. So much so that it'll like literally feel as if it's a heavy change, it's a heavy transformation coming your way. But I see you still resisting it. I don't know why. Like, what is this fear about? Why do you fear this? Um, I basically see some sort of a past fear ruling you in regards to the present. Maybe you're not sure if you want to take this step. You just feel hesitant, you're not sure if you want to move. And in the next 15 days, I'm seeing that same thing, like the same thing repeating. The push will become bigger, but the confusion is also becoming bigger in the next 15 days as well. So I don't see you reaching a conclusion of sorts as such. Okay? Now, let's see if this resonated. Let's see what is an advice for you, Aries. Advice for you, Aries. Chop wood and between worlds. Yes. So I feel that yes, the decision is definitely there. Some kind of clarity of mind is what you need, but right now you're being asked to take one day at a time. I think one day at a time you will get the clarity. You will understand where this is going and what is happening over here. But slowly and steadily is what I'm picking up. All right, Aries? Okay, so that is what I have for your reading. I hope this helps. Guys, private readings are open, so you can reach out to me. Also, I have two channels on Instagram. One is for tarot, the other one is for crystals, so you can have a look at both. The links are there in the description, so you can check that out as well. And I shall see you soon again with more readings. Take care and bye.